If you're not getting enough leads, or you feel like you're spending way too much time trying to get leads and it's not working for you, keep watching because this is for you. So I'm going to share with you today how I work with my clients, what we actually do to get more leads while you're sleeping, while you're playing with your kids, while you're doing other things that you love to do. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So a little bit of a backstory. I've been doing this particular strategy for about 6 years, and the whole automation of email funnels and automation has been something close to my heart for more than 20 years. And if you go back and watch my story about where I started with automation, you'll understand that this has been a passion for me from the beginning of online marketing. So about 6 years ago, I got into building out these DM funnels. Now, it's only been in the last sort of 6 to 12 months that this has become really popular, which has surprised me because I've been doing this with clients for about 5 or 6 years already. And it was right from the beginning of ManyChat. It was a time when people had never even heard of this strategy. And I was wowed straight away because of my history with automation that I knew that it was big. Now what I'm seeing is that people are starting to implement this as a standard process into their business. And if you're not doing it yet, then you must jump on this bandwagon because trust me, this is not only the future, but it's also guaranteed to get you new leads, and not only get you leads, but turn them into actual paying clients. So I guarantee this is working. It's working for everyone. There's not a person that it doesn't work for. So listen on in and make sure you implement this into your own business. I'm going to share with you how I do it with my clients, but I'll also tell you you can do this with ManyChat. There's a few other platforms that are doing this. We have got our own system, the Marketing Hub, that does this, but also builds in every other part of your CRM, every other part of your marketing. It's all in one package. And that's why I've called it the Marketing Hub, because it's literally the hub of your marketing. If you are using something like ManyChat, you can still do this. I'll show you exactly how to what to do. But the difference is with ManyChat, you have to get an email system, you have to get a calendar system, you have to get all of these different systems to talk to each other, and then you're creating more work for yourself. In our Marketing Hub, we do everything in the one place. We do calendar bookings, we do email marketing, we do the DM marketing, we do SMS marketing, we do if you want a membership area, it's got that, it's got website pages and everything, payments, everything in one system. So it is literally the best way to do it. You can try us out for 14 days for free. So what I'm going to show you today is the wording, how to do it, what to do. You can take the PDF that I've got here, just comment the word 10x into the comments, and I'll give you this PDF as well to go with this video. You can just copy what I've got in the PDF and just put that into something like ManyChat and just take the highlighted words and replace it. I'm going to show you what I mean in a second. Or if you try us out for 14 days for free, then you'll get all of this completely done for you. You're literally just putting your own words in where I'm going to show you in the highlighted sections. So let's get into it. This is the PDF download that you can have if you comment the word 10x, and it's got other information. The first thing you need to know is that you need to know, and I'm sure everyone knows about this, you need a lead magnet. So whatever that lead magnet is, it might be a download, a PDF. It might be that you do a discovery call. It might be that you do a coaching call. It might be that you do a mastermind or a webinar. It might actually be that you give them a free day pass at your gym, for example, or they can come in personally and do a workshop with a group of people. Like I work with a lot of psychologists now as well. And what they're tending to do these days, and they do it more online, is that they do either one-on-one psychology appointments, or they do group sessions as well, where you come in and you do at a cheaper rate, you do a group session. Maybe you want to give away a free time for people to come into a group session. Lots of different things you can do. So you've got to have your lead magnet. Once you've got that, then what you want to do is come up with a word. Now, if you're doing, if you're a psychologist and you're doing 30 days to happiness, then maybe your word is happy or happiness. If you're doing 30 days to losing 10 kilos, then you might do 10 kilos. You might do how to fit into my jeans for summer. Jeans might be your word. So find a word that's associated with what you're giving away or what your actual business is, and use that particular word. Think about that word, because what you want to be doing is within a few months, you want to have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 of these different funnels set up that people are coming from everywhere. So you've got to think of the funnel. You've got lots coming in the top and you want as much as you can coming out the bottom, because not everything's going to come out the bottom. So what you want to do is the more different options you've got at the top, the more people will come out the bottom. So try not to use words that are too generic, because then you're going to have different offers and you want to be able to use different words for each of those offers. Then what you want to do is that you want to, this works on Facebook and Instagram. LinkedIn is going to be there soon. There is a way to do this. Our team actually can help you with setting this up on LinkedIn. Not so automated at the moment, but it's still, you can still have this same sort of thing. Your first message can't be more than 160 characters. A lot of people don't know this, so make sure your first message is less than 160 characters, this message is. And then you want to have, like I said, if you're using ManyChat, then just copy this and put this into your ManyChat when you set up your own funnel. Or if you're using our system, I'm going to show you in a second, this is all done for you. It's just where these highlighted words are, you're just going to replace those with the words for your business. Here's your first message. I'm excited that you're interested. So someone's given you the word, whatever that word is, jeans, happy, blah, blah, blah. And then this message is triggered based on the fact that they've written that word. Then wait a few seconds. Then they're going to get another message. Are you ready to get it for free? They're going to answer you yes or no, or yes. Then you're going to send another message and it's going to say, great, please give me your email address and we will send it through to you. The great thing about this strategy, the thing that is the part that's really the best part, is that now you've got them on an email list and you've got them through social media. And if you want to, you can actually ask for their phone number if you wanted to, and have them on SMS as well. And you can add that. You can add it at this point. You can add it later. And then you can just layer and get hold of these people in lots of different ways. So then we want to activate the next message based on them giving their email address. So if they give an email address, then they get the next message. If they don't give an email address, then they go into the other part of the funnel and maybe they get asked, are you sure you don't want to get it? Or you message them later and say, did you still want to get this freebie download? Then once you get the email address, you're going to say, hey, you're going to get an email in a second, and the email is going to have the download for you. Now, there's a few different things. You could set this up where there's no email attached to it. You could just have, here's the link, go and sign up for this calendar booking or free whatever, or send them off to a link. However, you do want to get them into an email funnel as quickly as possible, because then the sooner you get them in there, the more likely you are to actually grab them. And then what you want to do is you can keep messaging them. Now, messaging them from email or from DMs or both, or from SMS as well. This PDF that I've got here has got all the steps to it. Just comment the word 10x and you'll get this PDF. Now I'm going to show you what that actually looks like in the system. If you work with us and you do the 14-day trial, you're going to get this completely given to you, included in your trial. So what we have seen is that this works for 100% of businesses. You're a coach, you're a service provider. This is working for 100% of people. So if you sign up with us, then you're going to have 14 days to try it out. You're going to get leads. You're going to have people converting into actual clients during your 14 days period. Because this is done for you, and it will take you, if you already have your lead magnet organized, it will take you less than 5 minutes for you to set this up in our system, because we've given you the template already done. And then you can, and because it's linked in with your emailers already, you're not going and trying to set up an email account to link in with it, which on ManyChat, that's one of the biggest problems, is then you've got to try to get your calendar booking to talk to your ManyChat, to talk to your email, to talk to you. And then you've got all of these different layers that need to be working. This, once you actually get in here, then that's it. It's all done in one go for you. So once you actually set this up, then same sort of thing on ManyChat. You're going to have a word. So in our system, let me move this out of the way. I've just got here the word. in my case, what I've been saying to you, it's 10x. So you would type the word 10x. I would have 10x written here. I would also have variations like 10 or x as well. And whatever your word is, happy or weight loss or whatever it is. Then what you want to do is go into this message here. If you're not using our system and you're doing ManyChat, then you'll just have this highlighted. You'd paste this into your ManyChat. And then you just want to take out this part here, your area of expertise. So I'm excited that you're interested in learning more about weight loss or how to fit into your jeans or how to be more happy in 30 days. And then you want to have the name of the lead magnet, whether it's this coaching call or this free pass or this webinar or this checklist, whatever it is. And then you can show an image, so you can upload, you can attach an image here, and you want to show an image of what they're going to get. It's just visual, and on Instagram, it's really good to have, and Facebook, good to have visuals. Then they're going to get this next message, and the next message is, are you ready? Yes or no? Our system is already set up that you've got a condition here. So if they say yes, they're going to go down into this branch. If they say no, they're going to go into this branch. If they say nothing, then they're going to go into this branch, and then they're going to get another message. So then what's going to happen is if they say yes, then they're going to say there's another message saying, please provide your email address. Provide your email address here. Once they provide it, then they're going to go into the next condition, and it's going to be updating the field. I'll make this a bit smaller so you can see it. Update the field. Then they're going to get another Instagram message that's going to say, here is the, you'll be getting an email with the PDF or whatever it is. Then in this system, because ManyChat can't do this because it's not your email system, this would have to then have a special integration to integrate back to your email system to tell your email system to go and create this message. Whereas in our system, it's all in one. Here's the email. We have got it. You can create a beautiful template. You can create a template here if you wanted to, or you can do what we do. We just do these basic, they almost look like really natural organic messages. So rather than doing these like designer sort of templates, it's up to you which one you prefer, but you can definitely create your own templates in our system that look really high and fancy messages, or do what we do and we just have these messages. You can put your name here, and you would send off the PDF or the link to the coaching call or whatever it is. Then you're going to wait, and then our system, we've actually set this up for you, and we've got in here that another DM is going to go out saying, hey, did you get that link via email? In ManyChat, you can set up the same thing. Now, each of these, if they don't do this, then it goes through and they go back to the other section. If they do it, then they go into the other section. This is all set up for you. You've literally, my talking takes way longer to do it than if you're actually doing it yourself. Literally a few minutes, and you've set this up. If you wanted to, you could go into the calendar settings and create a calendar, and then that calendar can have a booking that people get to talk to you. Or you might want to create on a website page a nice video template where people can watch a video. So it's just a link to a page on your website that actually gets people to watch a video. Or you might want to have a membership area, and then people can sign up for a membership area and get access to other content from you. The world is limited or unlimited. The options are unlimited in this system, in our marketing hub, of what you can do, and it's really up to you what you want to do. But once you set this up once, you can clone this, and then you can create the next offer another day in a week. I recommend every couple of weeks you set up a new one of these funnel templates that you have different offers all the time. So you're going to have, eventually you want to have 10, 20, 30 different offers, so people can come in and say, oh, okay, oh, I really like that post, so I want to learn more. Or they might have seen a video and want to learn more. Or maybe there's one offer where you're giving them a free day pass, and then another offer might be that they get to do something online, and one person says, I don't want to go into a studio to see you, but I'm happy to do something online with you. So having different options gives you more possibility to get more people into the top of the funnel. So do you see how this is all automated? Once this is set up, this is going to be running while you sleep. You're going to have people coming into this funnel all automated. We do recommend that once people come in, there's a strategy that we're doing that's working amazingly well, is where we actually create personalized videos. So once people get to a certain point of this funnel, my clients are sending them personalized videos. Hey, thanks for opting in for this freebie. Here's something else that you can have, or hey, it's really nice to actually get to know you, so maybe reply to this video. Or there's endless points that you can do with the video as well, and it's working really, really well. So the video strategy adding to this is another layer. We're finding an 80% conversion from just including video. So including video is a really good strategy as well. All of my clients are different. I've got a client of mine doing this particular funnel, and her funnel, if I showed it to you, I don't know if I can show it to you, she has something like, I think, 30 different branches from that video, from the start of it, because there's just so many different options, and every option goes to more and more options. And she's created a whole survey through one of these funnels, and it's getting people through without having to do a discovery call, which is a fantastic idea. So if you want to knock out the discovery call, if you put enough layers into these funnels, then you can actually remove discovery calls. Of course, it depends how much your product is that you're selling, how much your service is. If you're selling a $10,000 service, then asking someone to do it via DMs is a little bit much, but getting them through and getting out the people who are not actually going to qualify for your services, for your prices, for what you offer, it's a really good way to get people through the funnel far enough that you can say, okay, those people have actually dropped off now, so they're not the people for me. The people left here are the people that I'll actually speak to directly. And then what you're doing is that you're freeing up your time, not talking to everyone at the top layer, every single person who's just, looking for something for free, but you're getting people through to the stages of, hey, I'm serious, I really want to work with you. So then you can talk to them, and then you've got more time for them, rather than rushing through a call with them, rather than thinking, oh, I have to get on one of those stupid calls again and I don't want to do it. You're going to be so passionate about it, and then you're going to convert more, because one thing I'm seeing is people are not converting their calls because they're not showing up to the calls properly. So if you show up to your discovery calls, to your sales calls with the right intention, with the right frame of mind, you're more likely to convert them. I do a whole thing in my coaching about how to present yourself well in the sales calls, how to do a sales call properly. I go through all of this information, but I do see a huge difference whether you're getting people, a whole lot of them at the beginning, or waiting until they're actually the right person to fit in with what you're selling. So I hope that's been interesting for you. If you've got any questions, please leave them below in the comments, or send me a private DM. If you don't want to leave a comment below with the word 10x, and I'll give you the PDF download for this. Try us out for 14 days completely for free. You sign up, you get these funnels. If you don't love it, which you'd be crazy not to, then you can leave it anytime. It does not cost you anything. But I guarantee if you come into us and try us out for 14 days and you set this up within a couple of minutes, because we give you the templates, you will start getting leads immediately. Within 24 hours, you're going to have people in this. And within a couple of days, you'll be converting people into actual clients. So hope that was interesting. Let me know if you have questions. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.